Okay, should be going now. All right. Let's pull this guy back up. So we've got at the origin 3 microcoulombs. Charge that at x is 0.2. So this is 0.2. We've got -5 microcoulombs. And charge 3 is -8 microcoulombs. We don't know where it is. The net force on Q1 is 7 in the negative x direction. So before we get started, let's get a feel for where Q3 is going to be. If the force on, so if I look at Q1 and Q2, which way is, so this is Q2, which way is it going to be pulling Q1? Left or right? Actually, I kind of gave it away when I said pulling. But. Yeah, since they're opposite charges, it's going to be pulling it to the right. The problem said that the net force is to the left, so the force from Q3 had better be to the left. So I wish I'd left some space. So Q3 is somewhere over here because it was also a what's that? There we go. Yeah, Q3 was also a negative charge, so it's going to be attractive. So for it to be pulling to the left, it has to be on the left. So, all right, so it was -8 microcoulombs. And the net force was 7 newtons. So it's 7 newtons to the left. All right. Okay. Well, what's the force between 2-point charges? F is just Coulomb's law. It's okay. It's K. Yeah, QQ over R squared. R hat. Okay. So the force from Q2 is K times 3 times 10 to the -6th, and then 5 times 10 to the -6th over 0.2 squared. And it's pulling to the right, right? So the whatever that number is plus 7, that has to be what Q3 is pulling to the left.
How do you get the 7 to the left?
Okay, the 7 to the left was in the problem.
Was it?
Yeah. It says where is that located if the force on that is 7 newtons in the negative x direction?
Okay. All right.
Okay. So that means F3 on one hand, it's K 3 times 10 to the -6th, 8 times 10 to the -6th over whatever this distance is that we don't know, x squared. On the other hand, it has to be 7 plus that, right? So now just plug it into a calculator. And
7 plus F2?
yeah, 7 plus F2. That's a good thing to write down. Let's write down F2. All right. So now it's just bust out a calculator and plug it in. Where's the calculator? So, okay, apparently if you're in tablet mode, everything is always maximized, and that's making me sad. I wonder if I can get back out of tablet mode. You want to exit tab? No, yes, I do. That way I can, see what I'm doing. Okay. So I've got, what is K equal to again?
It was actually just not that. It's 9 point something.
Yeah, it's really like 8.99 times 10 to the 9. So 9 times 10 to the 9.
Okay, that's what I was
9 times 9, 10 to the x, times 3 times 5 times 12 negative 10 to the x. So that's the numerator. Right. Equal sign on
So
there.
we're solving for is that x, right?
Yeah, we're solving for that x. Okay, so that's the numerator in F2, and then divided by 0.2 squared. So that's my F2, and then plus 7 is that. And now I want to get x squared by itself, so I need to take the k times the 3 times the 8 and divide it by this guy, and then take the square root. Okay, I'm trying to get the x squared by itself. This 10 right here is this side. So this side is 10.375. So to get x, well, it'd be square root of this stuff. So 9 times 10 to the 9th, 3 times 10 to the minus 6, 8 times 10 to the minus 6,
Oh, you were just telling us.
over 10.375. I was just,
I wasn't listening. You were telling us how you're going to do it.
yeah, I was just doing algebra in my head and thought, hey, it's early in the course. I should probably tell you when I'm doing algebra in my head. So that's the numbers, and then times 10 to the minus 3 divided by the 10.375 equals, whoa.
I do have a question.
What?
Should that be a negative 8?
I mean, really, yeah, but we kind of already took care of the directions at the beginning when we said, okay, this one's going. So, yeah, we don't have to do that anymore. And then square root of that. So I got 0.144. Let's try it. Okay. 144. Oh, freaking check your signs. We said it was on the left. I just didn't type it in.
After we were just talking about that.
Hey, you know me and signs. So, so I'm going to try stopping recording. Is that what that does? Nope. Oh, that's reloading. Apparently I have to be on Zoom to stop recording. Well, that's not right.
It says right up there to stop.
Let's stop sharing. Okay, Alt-R to stop recording.